Hey guys, Ian here, NOLA Designs. I'm just going to be taking a couple minutes here today and trying to put on the side steps, the tubular side steps, if I can point the camera in the right direction, onto the 23 Honda Pilot. Right now, you're going to get 6 brackets in the kit from Honda. This is just OEM stuff. This is not us making any parts yet. So you're going to get 6 brackets from Honda and 2 side steps and a bag full of bolts, and looks pretty straightforward. I will let you guys know what I find as I go. I have no instructions because the box was an absolute disaster, and I would never recommend FedEx to anybody. Okay guys, so as you can see, I don't even have the vehicle and jack stands, at least not at this point. Located the 3 mounting locations for the side steps. They're not tight yet, so everything's still kind of floating and loose here. I have a Trail Sport model, so I don't see any need to trim any plastic. This is already tough, I'm not sure why, but it is. But yeah, so I don't see anything that I need to trim back yet. I'll keep you guys updated as I go. If there's something that needs trimmed, I'll let you know. But otherwise, this looks like it's going to be a pretty straightforward installation. Hey guys, just wanted to point out there is something of note here on these side steps. They are directional when it comes to the driver's side and the passenger side in order for them to line up with the brackets. So just wanted to let you know that's a thing to be on the lookout for, because I was trying to put the driver's side one on the passenger side. Doesn't work out that way. So either way, honest mistake, considering I don't have any instructions in any of the boxes or anything like that. So just a minor learning curve that hopefully you guys can avoid. All right guys, so here we are. I've got the passenger side installed. Once I figured out that I had the wrong side step, that was definitely key. Got the bolts started and tightened them to the bar first, then tightened them to the Pilot. Not sure if that's how you should do it. It felt like the right way to do it to me, and you definitely would be easier to maneuver this, I think, if you had it possibly up on if you had it up on jack stands. It would help buy you a little room, and being able to open the doors, I think, might make it easier to work with this. But either way, got to go pick up the kids, and then we'll be back to finish the driver's side. See you then. Hey guys, so we're back with the Pilot, and I'm gonna try and get the driver's side on. The best way to do it is actually just to go ahead and throw the brackets on first, bolt those up, leave them loose, put the somebody's getting after it by my house. Either way though, put the brackets on, leave them loose, and then go ahead and mount up the side step, bolt that down tight, and then go back and tighten it up against the body. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on the driver's side. Alright guys, so here is the final product on the Honda OEM tube step. Open the door, got a little bit of room to step on here. They seem really nicely built. I do like the more rugged appearance of them. However, if I actually end up glancing one of these off the ground, it's going to get destroyed almost immediately. The tubing, it's an aluminum tube along the outside, and then it is actually part of an extrusion that it gets welded to, which is a pretty cool concept. However, I don't think it's gonna load well long term for durability's sake. And then these brackets, I understand they're a mirror image of the other side, but the ones on the driver's side end up with the curvature forward on them. So these are literally just gonna dig into the ground and get wrecked. So a little disappointing, but that they couldn't be above this extrusion. They hang below by about a ½ inch. So either way, all in all, cool looking step. I think it'll work well for the wife and kids getting in and out. It'll do well for them, and you know, ultimately that's what it's for. It's for them to get in and out of the car, and that's really all you need to know. So guys, if you have any other questions about the side steps, feel free to reach out, let me know. As far as tools are concerned, I might end up adding this into the front of the video, but you really just need a 13mm socket, and that's it. You might have a little bit of issue with if there is any like frame sealer stuff in the thread holes. There's possibility a little bit of that. And then just make sure you have your side steps on the correct side of the vehicle so you can avoid doing what I did, as well as the clips with the nuts that the arms bolt to on the last side step. I actually had one that had opened up because it was just bent, or maybe I had pushed hoping that the nut would start into the Loctite and it hadn't, and so it actually had opened up and there was no way for me to get it right. So just make sure those things are in place before you get started, and yeah, pretty painless install. If you guys have any questions, like I said, just reach out and let me know. Thanks.